When your furnace starts acting up, one big question comes up. Should you repair it or replace it? Hi there, I'm Bree Zarbach, Furnace Product Manager at Carrier. I'm going to walk you through 3 key factors to help you decide repair or replace. The first, and for some the most important, is the cost to replace. Consider the actual cost of replacing your furnace. A new furnace is an investment, but it can bring better energy efficiency and lower utility bills. When repair costs start adding up, it might make more sense financially to replace your system rather than keep patching it up. The second is life expectancy. Think about your current furnace compared to a newer model. Most furnaces last about 15 to 20 years. If your furnace is near or past that range, replacement is usually a smarter choice to avoid frequent breakdowns and higher energy costs. Finally, review the history of problems with your existing furnace. If you've had repeated repairs in a short period, it may be a sign that your furnace is wearing out. Continuous issues can add up in time, money, and frustration. Remember weighing these 3 factors: replacement cost, furnace age, and repair history can help make you the best decision for your home and budget. For expert advice and service, reach out to your local Carrier dealer. They're here to help make your home warm and comfortable.